It's Monday, October 30th. Buying some SPY 415 puts at 458. This is on the breakdown on bar number 3 and going into bar number 4 here. I discussed how I had some calls here that I scaled out, set up an overage trade, took a small gain, and then I did decide to buy puts pretty immediately on that, on a reversal, expecting to take out the lows of the day, which it just did, expecting it to kind of work towards, you can see there's like these pre-market lows here is kind of a target. That could be a good area to scale out. At that point, you want to now see if this just becomes a failure day right out of the gates here. We're already red on the day below the open. We got to get through the midpoint of that bar. That'll project towards those lows. And again, when I even shot the first video, I discussed how on the weekly chart, even though we were kind of starting up and inside of that bar, given this red bar, I'm still expecting those lows to be tested. You would think it happens earlier in the week versus later in the week. You never know, but we've only come up, not even to the halfway point of that bar, and already we're starting red a little bit on a failure. So, that's kind of what I was really looking for. And to me, this opening price action, it was worth an aggressive try to the upside. But then once it failed, I'm looking for failures, and that was it. And now, we'll see if we take out this low down here, which looks like first target in pretty high liquidity areas. Anyone who's buying here in the pre-market, they'll get stopped out, and we'll see if that can build a little momentum, get through the midpoint of this bar on Friday, which can then project towards those weekly lows. So we'll see how much downside we get here in the morning. Just had a reverse, that first move, and we will see. Again, this will be good, same thing like on the upside where I was looking for one push up, pause, second push up. Now we look for a push down, some kind of pause, and second push down. And big thing here, how we treat this little gap area in here. Are we going to really slice through it, or is that going to hold a little bit? So let's just see what unfolds here to the downside on the SPY.